Welcome to this course on software deployment, not development. The most complex part of software engineering is not just building the application, it's deploying it correctly in the real world. If you've ever built a project on a local system and then tried to move it to a cloud server, you already know what I'm talking about. Everything works fine locally, and suddenly nothing works in production. That's because real world deployment is not just about putting your code on a server. In real companies, applications must be deployed in a scalable, automated, and safe way so that every new update can go live without the website going down. That is exactly what CI/CD pipelines are for. And this is what you're going to master in this course. This course is not about building an application. It's about taking a real Django plus React full stack project and deploying it in the same way professional companies do. We will use Docker for containerization, PostgreSQL for the production database, GitHub Actions for CI/CD pipelines, Linode as our cloud server, Nginx as the reverse proxy, Gunicorn as the application server, a real custom domain with full HTTPS with the SSL certificate. By the end of this course, you won't have a demo project. You'll have a complete production grade deployment system. So what exactly are we doing in this course? You don't need to come with a ready-made project. I will give you a fully built Django plus React application with complete source code. We will set it up locally. We will containerize it using Docker. Then we will create our own virtual private server on Linode. After that, we will build a CI/CD pipeline that automatically deploys your project to the cloud. Which means from now on, whenever you make small changes locally and push it to the GitHub, your live website will update automatically without downtime. That's how modern software companies deploy the applications. You see, this course is not for beginners. This is an advanced industry level deployment system. If you're a developer with 2, 3 or 5 years of experience, this course is for you. And if you're a freelancer who wants to deploy client project professionally, this course is for you. If you're a company that wants your team to learn real deployment skills, this course is also for you, because these are the skills that only top 5% of the developers have in the real world. So I'm 100% sure this course will definitely change the way you are deploying the applications. And for any reasons, if you think this course is not for you, Udemy will give you 100% refund. So your money is safe. So go ahead and enroll right now. I'll see you inside the course.